got the feeling, and it's raining outside. Hear it? That's rain. Don't rain on the parade. The feeling that I'm doing it manually with the screwdriver now. Is there one in the back? One there. Let me see. One. I thought there was, maybe there's two here. Oh yeah, I see it right there. It's hard to get to that. I'm gonna get these out, and then I'm going to put that new piece in. This is the old piece I got from St. Paul, Minnesota. I don't know what the issue was. 2003 part. Maybe that's the issue. However, when I get this 2005 part in from the same exact car, it looked like the color and all of that. We're gonna see what happened. Got it off with the Ryobi. Oh man. Now I just gotta detach this part there and get the new part reattached to that part. It's usually just here we go. Around we go. I just got, there's a way I gotta position this up on this little hill here so I can get this thing, you know what I'm saying, up in there. There we go. Ooh, perfect. All right, up in there. Be right back. Here we are, it's on there. Oh yeah. If you can see, which is gonna be hard to see, however. See, I got the, see it? So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna connect this piece here, which I'm supposed to do, on this little side note. And then, I'm gonna do next, is start the car, and see how we go. Let's see. Yeah, around my neck. I need my heat and stuff to get back. This heat be on Sahara Desert. Nope. Same issue, it ain't spinning. It ain't the piece then. Oh man. Wow. I don't know what happened. There's another part, I just don't know. This ain't good, man. This is not good. I don't know what happened. This is a brand new part. Well, not brand new, but I'm pretty sure it works. And for some reason, that just doesn't want to spin. I don't know what.